like to welcome everyone to this carbon management dialogue.
So you are all here because you care about your community, because you care about how we are going to effectively transition to a new and cleaner and healthier and more environmentally friendly future.
When we are talking about technologies, or just about making sure that the right people are at the right table, that there's no better place to have this conversation than right here in the city of Houston.
From Houston, Texas,
South Florida,
Richmond, Texas,
Leesville, Louisiana,
Houston, University, Michigan,
and Houston,
Torrance in California,
Katy, Texas,
Northeast Houston,
Florida,
Houston,
France,
Houston, Texas,
Vero Beach, Florida,
Washington, D.C.
I love my city, and I want everyone in it to be healthy and safe.
Having this carbon management dialogue, we're concerned about the air quality. How is that going to impact air quality that's already questionable?
If there's peer-reviewed evidence that CCS reduces co-pollutants, I think John said he would take that one.
Sure, I'm John Thompson with the Clean Air Task Force. We're releasing a study soon on this kind of topic. The peer-reviewed articles that we relied on to do our study came from places like Carnegie Mellon. Generally, what we've found is that with carbon capture, the technology's been around for decades. And so you can actually go out and see in different air permits, the reductions on things like sulfur dioxide, on PM, and on NOx.
There's a gap between the world of federal programs and public policy and the real lives of community members that are affected directly by these projects. And one of the critical things we need to do is to bridge that gap and bring members of communities and project developers and government agencies and everybody together to make sure that we advance these projects in a way that meets community needs.
Made me reflect that this is really what being in American society is ideally all about, where we can have productive dialogue, we can learn from each other, we can learn from people who are different than ourselves and chart a productive path forward.
At Rice, we are committed to helping demonstrate to the world that the transition to a low-carbon economy can and will be achieved.